This is Kevin Collins again with Home Theater Forum here at the last day at CEDIA. We're back talking to Rebecca with Sanus, and while we talked about the higher end racks, we were noticing that there was these very compelling, more entry-level racks that a lot of people, if they didn't have a dedicated home theater system, that might really interest them. Can you, just when I was touching the construction on them felt very sturdy. Could you kind of walk us through this?
Yeah, there's a really high weight capacity on them. They're great if you, like you said, if you don't have a dedicated space for a rack, but you still want to be able to have a great place for your components. They are modular, so you see we have a video style here, which is wider. It could actually accommodate a television resting on the top, or more of the rack system here with the smaller shelves to hold the components. Now the great thing about this is you're going to start and build as needed. So what we would do is we would buy the base piece down at the bottom, which would be this shelf and rail kit, and then you can continue to add on with shelves and pillars as needed. We also have a variety of pillar heights, so if you have different heights of components or you want to stack them on top of each other, you can do that as well. Entry-level pricing as well. So for example, just on what we have over here, our pull-out rack, MSRP on that is $249.99. Now we're going to step over in a second and I'll show you how that actually works.
Before we do that, how high can you go on these?
Well, you can actually get 18-inch pillar kits, and I believe that you can have up to 7 shelves on this rack system.
Great. So we'll go over here to this pull-out rack.
Did you just one of the bases? Yeah, I'll put that on.
So this is an example of how you can use all of those modular pieces to create the rack system. The bottom of this is our EFAP 21, which is our pull-out system. You can actually remove the decorative cover to expose the rest of it, and now you'll be able to pull the rack out of the recessed space, and it will actually rotate all the way around to allow you access to your components. You're seeing here not just the plain pillars that we showed over there, but the pillars with the threaded rack holes as well. So now if your components, you want to actually bolt them into the rack, you can do that with this, and you can see the different height options as well. Now the base is sold separately, and again you're going to add your shelves and pillars as needed to customize that installation just for you. And then you can push it right back into the recess and easily attach on the base piece here.
Is that magnet, or is there...
Nope, it just slides right into place. The back of the racks also have some really great cable management built into them with Velcro, so you can make sure to keep all of your cables neatly bundled together and separate out the power and signal.
That's great. Now, the ones that we were looking at, the more formal equipment racks, those usually have to go through a dealer or someone in the CEDIA channel. Where can our members purchase these types of racks?
Well, you can find these at a lot of furniture and appliance stores. Even some retailers will carry these as well, so they're much more available.
Okay, well thank you, Rebecca.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Kevin. Have a great day.
Yep.